How to create Botim account. So if you want to create a Botim account, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store and you need to search for Botim and make sure that you install the application. Once you install the application, tap on launch the Botim application. Now after launching, if you want to create an account on Botim, then tap on get started, which is on the bottom. And here you need to enter your country code with your mobile number. So enter your mobile number. After that, tap on next. And after that, you will receive a code to your mobile number. So you need to just enter that code. And after entering your code, it will let you create your name. So you need to create your name. Go with next, which is on the bottom. And here you can go with next, which is again on the bottom. And tap on allow. And that's it. Your account has been created. Now you can go with finish. And you can go with your profiles. You can change something that you want on your profiles. You can add some information on your account. You can go with email, add your email address, your delivery address. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.